Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friends, today we are going to discuss section 39 of the Indian Penal Code, in which voluntarily has been explained. So what is the meaning of voluntarily, how it is used, we will understand it with examples, and we will also analyze section 39. But before that, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. Friend, I also request you to visit my YouTube channel, because there are lots of playlists there in both Hindi and English on various issues like legal drafting, legal awareness, CRPC, IPC. So please check it out. There are very knowledgeable and informative videos on the playlist. So please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, voluntarily. So voluntarily has been used in many sections of the Indian Penal Code. We will be analyzing in the other part of the Indian Penal Code. But voluntarily, what it means? So it is very important, because if any act is done by a person which resulted in some criminal consequences, so in that circumstances, whether he would be liable for a criminal punishment or punishment under the Indian Penal Code or not, so this can be understood if we analyze section 39. So before analyzing it, it is better to understand what explanation has been given under the BEAR Act. So the BEAR Act, section 39, voluntarily, the Indian Penal Code in section 39, it says voluntarily a person is said to cause an effect voluntarily when he causes it by means whereby he intended to cause it, or by means which at the time of employing those means he knew or had reason to believe to be likely to cause it. It means, for example, if a person set a house on fire, and as a result of that, a person who was residing in that house died. However, after the death of the person who set the house on fire felt sorry about the death. However, he knows it clearly that his action will lead to some consequences, and he knows that if he is setting a house on fire, it may lead to death of any person. So such an act is voluntarily by nature. So voluntarily means any act where the person who is executing or committing that act knows it very well, the consequences of that act. So if a person is doing an act and he knows beforehand the consequences of that act, it means the person is doing voluntarily, and therefore his liability to a criminal offense is decided. So this is about section 39 of the Indian Penal Code. We will be coming up again with another topic. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it again, and if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. So I will be coming again with another video. Till then, take care. Namaskar.